The footer and the pad are all poured at the same time, and you can see underneath of the vapor barrier the rebar that's in place. And as it's being poured, they're backfilling behind the form boards to prevent them from moving, and they will later be checked again with a laser to make sure everything is perfectly straight. Here they're using a laser to make sure that the boards haven't moved any while the concrete's being put into place. They're striking off the top of the concrete to meet the mark that is on the post that was put in there yesterday as a reference mark for the proper thickness of the concrete. Jim is a fourth-generation concrete man, and his grandfather made this derby that he's using. I would say that that's a perfect finish. And here is a look from the drone's eye view. The lead time on having the building delivered and constructed is going to be about 6 weeks from today. Once all the building construction is completed, then we will pour the driveway. That way it doesn't get damaged while everything's being built. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.